begin the exercises in neutral. You're going to start with slightly tucking your chin and building up pressure between your chin and your fingers as a flexion isometric. If it hurts to use your thumbs, you can also use one of your fists to do the same thing. Next, we're going to work on cervical rotation. Place the palm of your hand on the side of your face around your eye orbit and build up pressure as if you're rotating your head. In this case, I'm rotating my head to the left into my hand. Again, this exercise is performed in neutral. Then we'll do the same thing, but attempting to rotate your head to the right. Again, keeping your cervical spine in neutral, building up pressure between your head and your hand. The next motion we're going to focus on is side bending. Notice the different placement of the hand. It's going to be at the top of the head, attempting to side bend the head to the left as you build up pressure with your hand. And again, we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Next, we're going to go into in-range isometrics. So again, with the neck, we're going to have a flexion of the chin, lifting your head just enough so that you can slide your hand behind your head, and you're going to hold, keeping your chin tucked. You're fatigued during this exercise if your chin begins to lift or your head drops back down to the table. You want to keep this neutral cervical positioning as you hold. Again, keeping enough distance between your head and the table. If that becomes easy, you can add end-range flexion, bringing your chin up towards your chest and applying a light pressure down on your forehead towards the table. Next, we're going to go into in-range rotation. You want to rotate your head to the left as far as you can without pain and build up pressure between the palm of your hand and your forehead, attempting to rotate your head back to center. You're going to do the same thing with your head to the right, attempting to rotate your head back towards center. Next, we're going to work on in-range side bending, tilting your head as far as you can, in this case to the right, building up pressure, attempting to side bend my head back to neutral, but maintaining that pressure between your head and your hand. Then we will switch sides and do the opposite side.